Hello dear students, this is Shanti and I am working as a maths teacher at ZPHS Kukumpeta Rajendra Rural. This video is created along with Aaron. Today I am going to tell few concepts regarding quadratic equations. Before getting into quadratic equation, let me recapitulate what is a quadratic polynomial. So any polynomial of degree, we call it as quadratic polynomial. And if we equate that quadratic polynomial to 0, we will get a quadratic equation. The general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a comma b comma c belongs to R and a should not be equal to 0. Also, y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c can be called as a quadratic function. So any equation of the form px is equal to 0 of degree 2, we can call it as a quadratic equation. We have many mathematicians who dealt with this quadratic equation. So Babylonians were the first ones to get the solutions for these quadratic equations. And the Greek mathematician Euclid had gone to a geometrical approach to find out lengths and breadths using these quadratic equations. And Brahmagupta is the one who found out the general form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And Siddharacharya is the one who found the quadratic formula, or in order to find out the quadratic roots, he discovered the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now let us get into the solution of the quadratic equation. If alpha is any real number and we have the general equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and if we substitute alpha into this equation, now if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0, then we can call it as alpha as the root of the quadratic equation. Here x is equal to alpha is the solution of the equation, and we can find the roots of the quadratic equation using the formula as I have mentioned earlier, by using the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. In fact, at most we will be having two roots for the quadratic equation. Both the quadratic polynomial and the quadratic equation have the same number of roots or zeros. In terms of quadratic polynomial, we have zeros, and in terms of quadratic equation we have roots which are same. Both are